Hey, it's Key West, or something close to Key West. It's about 10 o'clock on Thursday morning. Ooh, actually, I think we're at the dock. I think that looks like a dock sticking out back there. Look at this. Woo! These little islands with these houses. A lot of boats over there. Yeah. So today is Key West Day. Second day of the cruise. The weather looks perfect and the water looks perfect. Wow. Everything's going well so far. Happy about that. It's just beautiful. I could just get a beer at one of the bars and sit here all day. But I won't. I'll get off and walk around Key West a little bit. Oh, there's people on wet wave runners or jet skis over there. Nice. See some tugboats. Pretty nice. Key West. I was here years ago, but I really don't remember being here. I think because I was drinking. Oh, there's a rooster. I think I was drinking too much the last time I was here. The ship's over there. I have to remember where that is. This is, yeah, there's a lot of touristy type places here. Here's a key lime pie bakery, and the Keys are famous for their key limes. And they make a nice pie, these key limes. So I'm just walking around.
I'll do my best.
Okay.
People getting ready to terrorize people with the bicycles. I really prefer to walk. So Key West is big drinking town. I will not be drinking. There's enough drinking on the boat. I do not need to stop and drink in shore. So Key West is known as a party town, the southernmost point in the United States of America is at Key West. This is, I think, the main strip. Key West is a small island, but there's a lot, per capita, probably more bars than any place else. And it's 11:30, and this bar, which is called Sloppy Joe's, is packed. People are gonna be hurting tomorrow morning. there's Old City Hall. So, yep, just walking around Key West a little bit. Gonna check it out for a couple of hours and then head back to the ship. So this is one of the piers at Key West. There's like a brewery, surf shop down there. Another bar and grill. Lots of bars and grills in Key West. Lots of boats too. Go figure. Ooh, there's pelicans out there. A common sight near the water in Florida. This is the Boathouse Bar and Grill. These are the dinghy docks. All dinghies must have a valid sticker.
Lights are right if you want to go there.
Keep walking along here. Might as well. More streets. Eat It Raw, half shell raw bar. Arrows pointing to everywhere on the planet.
See what's up there, Frank?
Stickers. See if there's any I recognize. I wish I had a sticker with me. So, walking back to the ship here in Key West. There's the ship. Is it a boat or is it a ship? I know you're supposed to call it one thing or the other. It's both. It's a boat ship. The Norwegian Dawn. Norwegian Cruise Line. Norwegian Dawn. Okay, so I'm figuring it out. Let's walk over here a little bit, see what's here. To Duval Street. Duval Street's like that main drag where all the party stuff is. Chocolate dipped key lime pie on a stick. It's all right here.
I like that.
And then the ship. The ship. The boat. The surf shop. Get into some shade. Is getting ready to get back on. I'm gonna relax for the rest of the afternoon, get something to eat. Bye, everyone.